Remember, India has managed to do this in the past, get out the workers who've been trapped for many days. What happened in Telangana this time? A roof of an under construction tunnel collapsed, but that happened 13 kilometers inside the tunnel, which is under construction. So that's a fairly long distance for the team also to cover by ground. 200 meters patch filled with debris that stands in the way. So to be able to get to them, so you can see this is the part of the debris, to be able to cross through them, and we're talking about huge cement concrete, which is used to build a tunnel. The race is against time. It's been over 48 hours. It's not just about debris. There's water also filling in the tunnel. The clearance to reveal location of the workers. So because this, if they do not realize about how do they manage to, and how far are the workers, how do they manage to reach, they'll have to do the vertical stretch. Workers are trapped, meanwhile, in a nearly 15-meter stretch. Unlike the previous one, remember, that happened, there was a fairly good enough distance and space for the workers. This time, they are stuck between the collapsed rock and the roof and the boring machine. The diameter of the tunnel, according to our information by the sources on ground, is 9.5 feet. Army's Engineer Task Force is involved in the rescue operation. There is the NDRF. There is the SDRF. These are all, remember, extremely trained personnel who've done these jobs earlier. But every assignment like this brings its own challenges. Take a look at this report now. 8 workers, including engineers, currently trapped at the Nagarkurnool tunnel. Their families are praying for them. There are rescue personnel on the ground. Here's what it's looking like.
The clock is ticking. 8 lives are trapped inside Nagarkurnool tunnel in Telangana. Nagarkurnool tunnel's roof suddenly collapsed, which sealed the seepage at the 14-kilometer inlet of the tunnel on Saturday evening when 60 people were working inside.
मैं रुकते चला और साहब लोग था, फुरमानी सब थे, तो लोग भी पीछे देखते आए, मैं आगे निकल गया। उसके बाद आदमी उधर से लोग को लेकर आया, तो जो फंसे थे वो निकाले किसी तरह से, और जो रहे सो उधर ही रह गए।
While many escaped death, 8 tunnel workers could not make it out in time.
हम लोग जब बुलर के पास गए, बुलर से हवा लिए, हवा लेके जाने के वक्त पानी बढ़ने के बाद मोल्ड गिरने चालू हो गया। उसके बाद हम लोग देख करके पीछे भागने लगे। भागते हम लोग आ रहे हैं, उस टाइम से मतलब आगे वाला आदमी पीछे रुक गया और हम लोग तो निकल गए।
Joint rescue operation by Indian Army, NDRF and SDRF teams is underway. Adequate amount of oxygen is being supplied inside the tunnel.
This tunnel, which leads from Srisailam to Devarakonda, had collapsed at a 14-kilometer range due to sudden inflow of water and soil. A part of a concrete segment which is used to close the seepage had collapsed, leading to 10 workers being trapped inside. 2 of them have been rescued and 8, including the site project manager, the site supervisor, and 6 others are said to be trapped inside this particular incident that has taken place.
Rescuers are yet to establish contact with the trapped labourers as their location remains unknown even after hours of continuous efforts.
वहाँ पे जाके हमने जो ट्रैप्ड विक्टिम्स है, ट्रैप्ड मजदूर हैं, जो वर्कर्स हैं, उनके नाम से उनको पुकारा और उनको पता करने की कोशिश किए कि वो लोग कहाँ हैं, कुछ पता चल जाए, मगर कुछ पता नहीं चल पाया।
Chief Minister Revanth Reddy is monitoring the rescue operations and has directed officials to expedite necessary measures to ensure the safety of the trapped workers.
Those that were on the tunnel mission or behind it, they could have an exit. This was about 14 kilometers inside. But there were 8 people standing in front of the boring machine. They have got trapped inside. We are doing our best to save the lives of 8 people, and then we'll see further what is to be done about this tunnel.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi dialed Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy on Saturday to take stock of the mishap. Rahul Gandhi too asked the Telangana government to leave no stone unturned to save the trapped personnel. Rescue teams are finding ways to enter the tunnel after the only entrance was covered in knee-deep debris because of the collapse. With Abdul Bashir, Bureau Report, India Today.